If you like the content, please be sure to like and subscribe as it helps me grow the channel. Thank you. Fat-burning soup diets have exploded in popularity over the last few years thanks to health gurus and Hollywood celebs. But it actually got its start in the 1980s from a cabbage soup diet fax that went viral. The low-calorie dish would allow those on the diet to fill up on as much soup as they wanted while slightly limiting their food intake. The ultimate goal is to get your body to burn more calories than what the soups are providing. You can eat other foods while on the soup diet, but there is a list you should stick to if you want to see the fastest results. Fat-burning soup diets are typically meant to be followed for 7 days at a time, with a 2-week break in between cycles. If followed properly, you can end up losing 10 pounds by the time the 7th day rolls around. People have even noticed having more energy and feeling lighter only a couple of days into the diet. The safest way to use the fat-burning soup diet is to incorporate it into a diet that includes other fat-burning foods as well as protein, carbohydrates and vitamins. For this diet to be the most effective, eating the right combination of fat-burning foods along with the fat-burning soups is the key to seeing success. Preferably foods that have been catered to dovetail with the fat-burning soup diet. The two work in harmony with one another to make sure that your body still gets all the necessary vitamins and nutrients it needs while you're losing weight. One of the other benefits of the fat-burning soup diet is cost. At $1 per serving, you don't have to worry about setting aside a big budget for the change in lifestyle. Speaking of $1, what if you could get access to over 350 fat-burning soup recipes for only $1? If you click the link in the description, you can get your hands on enough recipes that you'll never eat the same one twice, if you don't want to. No need to work out or exercise. Just substitute one of the fat-burning soups for one of your daily meals. If you have to lose weight in a short amount of time, this is one of the easiest, quickest and safest ways to do it. Like with all diets, make sure to consult your physician before making any drastic lifestyle changes. And if you would like access to 350 plus fat-burning soup recipes, follow the link in the description below.